Okay, we're going to show you a little bit of the Nova here that we've been working on for a good while. You can see we got it painted, buffed out. Been putting it back together. Got a lot of the chrome on it. Front bumpers are grilled, hood chrome. Getting kind of dirty just sitting here in the shop. Got the wheels on it. Getting the windows in it. Still got some chrome to go around the back. Still got to get the interior in it. Got the front glass back in it. Got the rear stuff on it. Just a few little odds and end things still left to do on it. But it's coming along nice. Should be all put together and out of here pretty soon. We'll get it all finished up, cleaned up. We'll show you some more of it.